In the culinary world, the dining experience is paramount, and air quality plays a pivotal role in creating an inviting atmosphere. The Smart Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor for restaurants is an innovative solution designed to ensure that the air within eateries is clean, fresh, and free from contaminants. This smart monitor is equipped with sensors that detect various pollutants, including particulate matter, PM2.5 and PM10, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and other harmful substances. By continuously monitoring these elements, the device helps maintain a safe and pleasant dining environment. One of the key features of this monitor is its ability to adjust ventilation systems automatically. When it detects an increase in pollutant levels, it signals the ventilation system to enhance air circulation. This immediate response ensures that any cooking odors or airborne contaminants are swiftly removed, preserving the ambience of the restaurant. The integration of Wi-Fi technology allows restaurant owners to keep tabs on air quality from anywhere. Through a dedicated app, they can access real-time data and receive alerts if air quality falls below set standards. This level of control and visibility enables proactive management of the dining environment. For restaurants aiming to provide a superior dining experience, the Smart Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is an essential tool. It ensures that air quality is consistently monitored and managed, contributing to the overall comfort and satisfaction of patrons. To explore how the Smart Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor can elevate your restaurant's ambience, please reach out to me through the email on my page. I will be happy to provide more information and respond to your inquiry within 24 hours.